So here is my Bretman rock collection. I ordered a bag and then I got a free one. I just threw this in here. I like motor brushes, and this was so pretty with the pastel, and I just really wanted these. Look, it's got those flowers on them. So yeah, I just threw it in there. I got them the same day. So let's see. I'm supposed to have 3 glosses. I got one of each. I got the mascara, this coppery gold, and the purple one. Then I got the highlighter, the freshener, you know, the spray thingy-majigger. I usually use these as toners, or when my face feels dry, I might put it over my makeup. So these are the 3 brushes. There you go. I think that was the highlighter. That's like the domed. And then I guess this would be for regular application. Let me see. Now, okay. This is, I can't get this out. So I'm gonna put the camera down and delete out until I get this out. Okay. I had to use like the back end of the scissors, but let me try and open it. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I noticed there's really like only one highlighting color, which is that one. I mean, actually brow bone color, I should say. You could probably use this as a cheek color. If it's light enough, you could pull it off as a brow bone color. It's got the gold. It's got that pretty, beautiful rosy color. And then it's got like a darker gold, or champagne, I guess you could call it. You got your teal, you got your green, you got your hot pink. It's a warm toned red. You got your brown, your usual black, your red, your purple, and then your frosty green. I'm not sure if that's a green or a teal, but then you got your beautiful royal blue. Okay, so here you have your glosses. Oh, that orange tone one has got like pink glitter inside. The bronzy coppery one, and then you got your sheer gold, which would probably go over a topper, be as a topper. All of these look like they're too light. They're, you know, they're sheer is what they look like. Now this, I saw this at Ulta. I don't even know how to open this, so here goes. And you see that? They had a tester and nobody was able to open it. So I don't know how to do this. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure it out before I do swatches, that's for sure. And you know, and you got the mascara. It's supposed to have vitamins in it. Oh my goodness. So here are the brushes. I had a hard time getting them out. Yeah, it's a nice, you know, the way they did the handle is very nice. Now, this packaging is nice. If they would have put this in a box set, that would have been really nice, but I don't know. I just felt that was unnecessary. I had a hard time getting it out because I stuck in there. It's pretty though, but I don't know. I guess I could find a way to use it. And I don't know if you could tell, but there's a stick in there, so you could it's just a spray top. Shake me. It says you gotta shake it first. So I was able to lift it using a scissor, and it's got another cap in there. Oh, I see. You gotta lift that and shake it. That's pretty though, I have to say, man. The bronze one looks almost pinkish. It's really pretty. Alright, let's see if I can lift that. It's gonna be another chore. So I got it open. I see how this works now. So to keep it, I guess, from going one into the other, you gotta lift this. I had to use my scissor. And then I had to use my scissor to lift peel off that plastic. And then I guess you just gotta shake it out. Which kind of seems a little bit like a pain in the butt, but it's cute how they did this. The shaker has a B and an R for Bretman Rock. Okay, so I'm gonna do some swatches here. See you guys later. Bye.